The standard Sports Plus suspension on here, and you know, it's not been on the car for the 15 years the car's been around. It's definitely been replaced, but it's, I mean, it's does its job manfully. It really does, considering it's not coilovers. It's stiff when it needs to be. It's controllable. It's, you know, it's not that uncomfortable either. Which, if I had coilovers on right now on this sort of road, I think I'd be enjoying the experience less. On the track, that'd be a different story, but I'm not on the track. I'm B-road bashing. That is what I want this car to be predominantly best at. So B-road bashing is where it's at. I'm going to be hunting for B-roads in the not too distant future in different areas of the country. And the setup I've got at the moment is great. I do want to put lowering springs on. I do want to get the arch gap down a little bit, and also, you know, having it slightly lower will help the handling as well. But I'm never going to complain about how this car handles on stock suspension. The Sports Plus suspension this has is great. It really is. Obviously, you know, I want a big brake kit in the future, obviously. But the brakes, you know, I've got the M-Tech set on the standard calipers, and to be fair, these are working perfectly well as well. So it's one of those things, you know, do I need to spend the money at the moment? No. Is it going to have a massive impact on how I drive at this moment in time? No. Am I still having lots of fun even though I don't have my car set up exactly how I want it to be? Yes. So I used to live out here. I've probably mentioned that already in the video, and the only good thing about living out here was the roads. You can't get takeaways, it's cold all the time, it's foggy all the time, there's massive spiders. Our neighbours weren't particularly nice. They're a little bit too, let's say, local, but the roads made it worthwhile. Not worthwhile enough not to move back into Exeter though, so yeah, it is what it is really. National speed limit, let's go. Yeah, a lot more input into the steering. Especially when buses are coming up on the other side of the road. What a road! What fun! I mean, you know, I'm silent there because I'm just enjoying this road massively. It just adds to the experience having traction control off. I know my car, I know the roads, and having the mods that I've got on this car, taken on roads like this, wow, it's just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.